have energy for the swimsuit competition. Love from Chiru community. Thank you. Love you too. Bring out all the energy and burn them all in swimsuit competition. I will. So far, who is your closest contestant? Closest contestant. I have so many closest contestants. Every roommate that I had were the closest contestant till now, and also some of the friends, not just some of the friends, but all of them are great friends and very close. So, but yes, as roommates, we are meant to stay together for quite a long time and share a bond which we don't share with others. So every roommate that I have made, that I have been in, would be, I think, my closest contestant. Nungairibuche, nungairiye, Bangalore kaitano. Bangalore gi kai jaga no ka call to mo have what water park laibane. Wonderla laiba jaga ta update pa me khoi. Pirakani. Piraktoy ne. Been waiting for you live here. I'm watching you with sleepy eyes. Take care. Thank you so much. Na chom chin bakaw ni ko. Ay na chom ni laitre. Na chom natabido. Aseng ba lay oy na chill lagi. Nang bo ke wak the practice story hay tay. Thadoi. Practice story. He's my coach. The 29. Looking gorgeous as ever. Oh my god. Thank you, sis Santi. Puri filter away. May tanati body danida dubudi. Mayang comment ta kana bino kay allergy lagi che. Ay sing chana dira natraga na dress tagi longnay ra kay nom di oira pa isa dudugi. Kaino di kangde. But tamoy di am kai ba doing. Wavy na play hair so straight hair na tihin eh. Loi tao doon I will do everything. J crown ano boy bro. Oy hay udri ay so. Wait, review tao udri no motor kani. Finale ka nagsala kanda. Energy that store tor thamse ko hay. Thadoi ne energy store torga. Energy store tao ready pajaroy. I think tum hogal up with the full energy. Your money stitch it Thadoi is. Thank you. Jay, my pakpa is 0. Proud of you, Jay. Thank you, Angela. Time active yam ohan view mo do marka kini. Oy do budi time budi dum. Matam chana tong na bhona badani tum baya dar haba ide. Pung mga da call time se pung ama da tum mabani na alarm se pung mari thamsai ne bako. Alarm sa si mamang da pung ani makaya dum tum hogal eba tum so ya adre badum. Pakhat pagi. Okay, hayeng la swimsuit contest. Hayeng swimsuit contest nate hayeng na swimsuit ki photo shoot laiba. Aduga hangchit na. Hayeng mathang sina swimsuit ki competition. Je allergy na confidence handa haloi se handa haloi dubudi. Maybe allergy to is so ishwar na tambam laiba so ngani. Like challenge ama pibiraga singang si challenge kan thokpa ngamra ne gai na changyeng to aduduga changyeng do mai pa e ga har ka da mai pa ko kanum bibirok to ya man bai ta ka khalle mu de confidence ko de ko hande na do de ya positive to ni ko khallage hingli mu sinatra di ya ro do kai matang yor gi che hazik se swimsuit competition ta udore adugi fipam di leiri Brilliance gang finale gang ko to ngon da lera po laitri ngon da laitri kan semi hai tare. I think swimsuit will be held on 29th. Yes, it will be held on the 29th of July. Finale in New Delhi though. Nope, it would be at Jaipur. Bring the crown. Yes, I will. Jahiga Shurigi sisters say 22. When is the grand finale? On the 23rd of August. Vietnamese makeup artist Chat Krab. Yes, Chat Krab, they have gone. Akoigi official photo headshot ki lamba moise. Whole of Manipur is waiting for your coronation. Thank you so much. I will do my best, work really hard, dedicate everything that I can to make all of you proud and to make you all see my coronation. Thadoi, thank you so much. August high to July 19th. Okay, I'm so sorry. I changed July. Who is your roommate? Anubha is my roommate. Swimsuit the straight hair thamsiko? Yes, I do some hair wash or thams. Okay, all the best. Thank you, Dakshay. Ngasi di without makeup ne. Tumam da ngasi makeup lo talk because makeup se my dong so uling thuma kadra ki ro. Why are you so beautiful? Because you have the eyes that view things with love. That's why. Lakadabane promoted it in the thank you. Take confidence kamay lagi confidence didn't want like that. Like the people of Manipur is giving me all the love, showering me love, support. So why should I lose my confidence? I have to make all of you proud, and that love and support that you're giving me is a confidence. Without makeup, filter half. Let's vote wavy and straight hair since we have different days to show up. Swimsuit preliminary finale. Different hairstyle of you look so pretty without makeup. Thank you. Jessica Namdagino. Sing Jamai, you nam like I'm so obsessed with you, girl. Jessica Bradido. Sade? Adum ako'y Manipur ko chap manay yamsu sade, yamsu ingde, normal temperature oy. Hadi pungatte bishado. Swimsuit din nice salse. Crown boy 0. Thank you. Would you accept if they crowned you as Miss International India or Charm? Yes, I would. Because I am also given an opportunity to represent India. So why should I lose that opportunity? Live Tharakadra Dead 29. I heard that it would be telecast. It will be telecasted live. So yeah, let's wait for the update. Mitop napto suppose mito napurano. Mitop napto. Best of luck, baby sister. Thank you, Jay. Okay, pageant Q&A contest to comment tao krage. Kadam tao krage question 20 hange 90 minutes ta. Ani nang da question ani yaw krage. Nang da even nang da ba. Then I think I'm tapage. Not on Chinduni. Let's fight with allergy and get the crown for Manipur. Yes, let's do it. Allergy to the negative energy. Be positive. Being positive is everything. Yes, that's what I'm thinking. Being positive is everything. Crown di ko Manipur Kana honarga. Prop nga mo so isage. Kay damdagi no che. Ay singjamay jinga matak yumnam laikai. Singjamay yumnam laikai dagini. Hanak sumay pa kani hai bagi thajabalay ishona thawjan before no. Thawjan before. Ishona so thawjan biba oizage. Thank you so much. My picture should be. Thank you. Thank you, Sanali. Kena Tagalog walk swimsuit video the ampajabun. He has great energy. Great energy. And he also teach me how to gain that energy during the walk. So I'm working on that. Swimsuit walk video the gam kan thadorok Aina shoot the namgi madura natragana karam bawito all the best. Thank you, Jejina. How prepared are you for the swimsuit? I don't know, but I feel confident because I can't measure how prepared I am because anything can happen anytime. Pageant is pageant, so pageant is unpredictable. So I am confident in the way I am living right now. So I must say confidence is what I am currently in. Hantakti che final gown che sponsor tawdura natro kamai tawduna nakti Manipur designer ki gown oina set kadoi ne. Make Manipur proud. Go Manipur. Yes. Allergy to the negative energy pull up that cardani go shine even bet positive is everything. Yes. Like bar so Thadoi tum so Thadoi gi Thadoi ngak tengay ako kunse. Nange yado yung fajei. Thank you. Vietnamese makeup artist na keyboard yung fajei. May hay ba na dun? May makeup to. Ako'y rongi hadi northeastern gi looks sila chanay ba? Adogi. Adogi. Ramp walk ki sub contest to kumain to kragi. Tog di ramp walk ki sub contest tog di. Ako'y do atopa event to na to to. Ado na ramp walk ki sub contest ka do ti indoor da tong na ba kun ma ba. Let's go to that. Let's go. Je nok pada yatun go halaga nungsi yatun halaga wai nok. Sponsored gown oil theater prelims finale da. No, animak prelims and finale. I'm wearing Manipuri designer. Hair punba odriko. Tara kidoin. Aina ishan punba haiza da bagi tog to be wan da sida de tara ni. Beautiful answer se ay type ne. Yauna fajei. I translated. Oh my god, thank you. Jason gido samstrate open hana pakjani. Wait, don't get. Je ayok tog dara swimsuit. I don't know about that. Kona main hijar kani mo no. Introduction ka ganam do no. I don't know. Kem hydri. Question down fasana tog siko sister. Not even for the number. Love you. Looking gorgeous. Thank you. Chakchar bochi pasabi. Ay ngasi dinner skip daw rin. Ay do lunch to yam theng na chara ba nina. Chaba tumdre dugi. To ba contestants sing jadi Q&A taw balon nang gi project. Nang na de nang ba se amani ka uram gani. Ada nang da ba na di de. You're so cute, you know. Whenever I see you, I melt. Thank you. Kingahan, given the video result out there, tawag dre. Jay costume gi dress kamay tawag color no. It's a surprise. Karita mo na hajip Thadoi se. Hajikti, I say graduation lo sale, masters tawag thada bita, just UPC gi coaching tori. Your queen full support. Thank you. Given the competition kamay tawag giche. Padana di tawag me. Handwriting ka TV wakag tane. Wang studio gido. Okay, Wang studio gido. Edit daw gada makarwa lead dora ga tagalaki. Lauro ko crown do chen kana hono. Thank you. Remwa contest kiti top 5 tagalak te na. Atin tagalaga. Remwa ki contest daw dri ko. Camera da yeng bakaw gano ko hayeng swimsuit competition na. Kauray kana ay tammi mo ni. National costume run kam kanda tawdu no. Adu da preliminary round do. Adu gi mamang da tawdu ba. Ano ba ulo? Mas dalayti. Dinner job at ki pamale. National costume di kamay tawdu no. It's a surprise. Darn taraga like thora pa hek to sit tabi mong don thoro to kaya nga. Yes, I will do that. state costume haba. It's a surprise. Hayok pwede. Check camera angle, eye contact, and appear expression otseka. Uttoy ne. Active wale, but full support. I'll keep that in mind. Love you so much, Jay. Thank you. What is your height? 5.5 and a half. Active wale higher banangi kya. Hey, don't fight. It's their opinion, and I am open to every opinion because every one of you has different opinions. You have different perspectives, and I do respect every one of that. I'll try to portray whatever is suitable for the event. Mamang the genuine pama arrival to label to hunt up from manadabra. Manate do a arrival photo shoot to Tokite and so Tokre. Ground for a phone I go thank you, that's a dart. Chito to upload to say. Let's see, upload to say. No. Come I hide in a net, Sam ya de have a ngarang left target over net ya de. How to the net ya by one. If a come into the internet, but I am guy. Are you close with Pinky? Yes, I am. Get you on a date kaya the luck to na. Kaya finale lang na wala kini. Finale date kaya the no duga in hiding bomb na show talk with the face to yam tangan ma yam tangan. Aduma ay kangjala wala aduma ay tawda na wakan try to rin. Okay, rejoice to lura ka na mayam na fajei hai hairstyle to bite nearby kita so jegi district oyan se hai. Pajabanedum. I feel very confident in Dara Joy's makeup and hairstyle. So I really like his work and I really admire it. Aduna po ana Dara Joy say Miss Universe kasi Miss Universe Manipur ka Dara Joy's if I like pada na ka Miss Universe Manipur kati. Please accompany me in my journey, guys. Because I like his work. Miss Kaidarami ba? Life tar ko may hanggang ay sanarami ne. Preliminary da swimsuit yaw ko draw. Yaw ni. Chani ko jit Thadoi ko kananahan. Who is Sunny? Ay sunoy ki maning dagi ni yung nang binoy baba mga parents ko maming manay all the best. Oh, would love to see that exact styling of yours with hairstyle that was put out on the story by Amiwa. I thought I will be doing that exactly. Sister kay matil char ke asahin lunch to char. Q&A competition da question kya hondo onge che. Question ani nang da bay. Love you, bro. Miss Universe Natal Pangalao. Sure, I will do that. Queen, positive words. Yes, positive words. How was the Q&A round? How it went? It went really well. Je pimples ko main to makeup to san base. Pimple ko shoot to sham to da just aigi kay hay tare ne hormonal imbalance ko makakara mo ler pakanda tolok pe wakatan ta makeup na din natte. Jerian pa kay tage ren wa contest to dri. Kurumjari Thadoi. Kurumjari Pageant World 2026. Please English, sure. Now chung kau na gumsiko head kau. I will never forget that. I'll keep that in mind. India hay na log do ni ko che. Sure, manifesting for that. Facial structure kaloy na chana bahaya straight hair no ko talon. Yeah, straight hair is kind of my favorite, and it's very easy to carry. But at the same time, I'm just trying out different hairstyles because I can't just stick to one hairstyle in every event. I have to be, versatile. I have to be open to every styles. I have to style my hair according to the outfits that I wear, the neckline that exact dress has. So that is why I'm just trying out some new hairstyles. But for the finale and for the prelims And for the swimsuit competition, we do have hairstyles planned out for that. And I'm so thankful for every one of you for suggesting hairstyles that look good on me, and I'll keep that in mind, and I hope I would be able to make you all proud on that day. Not just proud, but also feel proud, not because of the performance alone, but also because of the presentation and about the looks that I carry. So I'll do my best, and also my team would do their best to make Manipur shine. Welcome to Bangalore. Thank you. So are you from Bangalore? Janelle kaide hapke. Manipur thing. Just one constructive feedback. I think you need to adjust your head and neck a little bit. Yes, I'm doing that. I know. After watching my videos, I come to the realization that I need to work on that. So right now, I am currently working on how to control my head. So thank you so much. I do accept all your feedbacks, and all your feedbacks is the real area where I need to work on, and I'm so thankful. Thank you for looking deep into my performances, and I think this is the best gift. This is the best blessing that I'm getting. CM kem chan hoi go yum nak su mana yum su nak na proje nak nay maning mamang ne komai khek maning dai ne khoi na. Personal interview do maru yam oi bani ne yam phajan to view go confident, matured, cool, authentic. That's true. Why do you look